So today is going to be the first day that I film some sit-down videos here at the office, and I'm not sure really how I feel about that because the office still needs some decorating, so it's pretty much gonna look very bare in here, but I'm still gonna do it because I have a few videos that are makeup related. So a lot of you guys have been asking about acne safe primers, updated foundations for 2019, blush, all of those things. So those are the videos that I am recording today. In today's video, do you hear it? Yep. Butterfingers. Butterfingers. Yeah guys, so I am in the middle of filming these videos and Amanda's making some noise back there, so okay, I'm almost done recording and that lady over there. Yeah, so I'm trying to get through this at the office because again, I'm not sure how I feel about this setup and she's just making it difficult. Okay, so I am back with another lunch, and this of course is going to be an acne friendly lunch. So this is basically what I'm eating today. So I have egg salad, and as you can imagine, I have to eat this when there's no clients in the office because you know how egg salad gets. It gets a little stinky, but it's delicious. And then I also have some celery and broccoli with some red pepper hummus. Of course, I got my pumpkin seeds for that zinc. And then I have my little third grader pencil pouch with some Wasa crackers in here. And yeah, so that is lunch. So this morning I came to the office and one of the first things Amanda said was like, look what I found. She was cleaning out one of her closets and she came across like all these old cards and stuff, and a few thoughts. One is that my handwriting was so much better back then, but anyway, I'll show you guys exactly what she showed me. Okay, so we have these two lovely cards. This one we were debating on because I think I wrote it for her because she was going through a hard time.
Probably.
But she thinks it's because I was going through a hard time. Is that what you said?
Yes.
Yes, okay,
yes.
yeah. So
I'm thinking so.
y'all will have to let us know who was having the hard time. Because we have no clue.
It was both of us.
Yeah, it was both of us. So this is a card that I gave to her, and look y'all, oh my god,
Acne days.
Acne days. If the camera can even pick up on it, this is like on printer paper, I think.
Girl,
So a girl, I won't be ripping it. So here's what I wrote. Let's see if this will focus on it. Well, I'll read it to y'all if it doesn't focus. I wrote, hey my friend, I hope you have an excellent day at work and remember that I love you, Carm. And then, you know, what's that say? When I'm this grateful, I can't thank straight. So, yeah, I think the fact that I wrote and remember that I love you means that I was like, you're loved. It's not the end of the world.
What happened?
Oh
That
shoot.
might have been prom.
I mean, a rare fight. Oh,
That was
we
the only
did.
fight that
Yeah,
we had.
we fought at prom.
And it was my fault, and I told her that on her wedding day.
Why was it your
to
fault?
the whole world. So I was being a little brat.
So Amanda's memory is like way better than mine.
you know.
I guess she was being a brat. I don't remember. I do remember we were in a fight at prom though.
Yes.
But I actually don't remember why. And I think you wore a princess dress at prom?
That was
because
8th
grade.
You were not going to stay in the hotel that I thought we were going to stay at together. And I yelled at you on the phone. It was me. Sorry.
Well, I had a boyfriend, Amanda.
Yeah.
No.
And you're like, actually, we were. So we
Wow.
didn't talk for like a week. It was bad. I know.
That doesn't happen
And then
anymore.
we skipped school so we could make up.
Did we really?
Yeah, we did.
Oh my
Because
god.
Dave said we needed to talk it out.
Dave said we needed to talk it
He's
out.
like, y'all
That's
are best
funny.
friends. I can't deal with this.
He's like, stop the drama.
I know. Yeah.
That's funny.
We had like 3 or 2 classes at least together.
Mhm.
We had math and then we had biology. And Dave was in biology.
How does she remember all
I
this?
just remember.
Like, I need to start taking
Random
like,
facts.
yeah.
I got this.
So we know when we're like in a retirement home who's gonna remember everything. Yeah.
Unless I get Alzheimer's.
Yeah. So long story short, we were in a fight at prom because of a hotel room, and then we made up.
Yeah.
And life continued.
It sure did.
All right, so let's see this next card. So this one says, again, a card from me to my best friend here.
It's a birthday card.
It's a birthday card. This one's kind of provocative. I mean, what?
She knew that was going to be enough.
Yeah. I mean, it looks provocative to me. Maybe it's not. I don't know. It says, it's a sin to look as good as you do birthday after birthday. And then I wrote, true, true. Again, the camera won't focus, y'all. But look at this. Look at this. That was us, y'all. Okay, so I wrote, Amanda, what is up, my best friend? I hope that you are having a really awesome big 1-7. Her 17th birthday, y'all. Let's see, or else I might have to start a ruckus. But seriously, I am so thankful that we are spending yet another birthday together. You mean the world to me. Without you, I don't know how I could make it through school and through life. Oh, so sweet. You rock for keeping me alive and for making me laugh. I couldn't ask for a better best friend. And if it sounds like I can't read, guys, it's because I'm filming and yeah, I can't read. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I can't read. No. I'm actually a really good reader, y'all, but it's hard when you're like filming and trying to, anyway, yeah. That's girl. Please.
But anyways, the picture on that, this card
Yes.
right here was actually at Dave's GMOS unit, space unit when we
Oh,
were singing.
shoot. Oh, you're right. Oh, that was such a good memory.
It was hot. I remember
yeah,
that.
it was
That's why
hot.
my shirt's
yeah.
off.
Everyone's like, who's Dave? Dave is our friend.
Dave's still my friend.
Yeah, Dave's still our friend. So these are another pair of the boots or the shoes that I got at DSW with Amanda's birthday gift card. Bestie. She did not get those there.
Oh my god.
Yeah. But these are super comf and I like them. Thank you.
You're welcome.